Now give you footage from the scene. We must warn you that the footage you're about to see
Why
is
don't you
disturbing.
tell me where the hell they are? Hardly professional. You murdered her! You strangled an innocent woman!
It's smaller than I would have expected.
Yeah, it's like something you'd find in a ladies' room.
Fatal disease. You're
What do we do with
lying
it?
dying on your mother's knees.
This next guy lives under the docks of Venice. He hasn't seen a razor since the one he used to hold up people for liquor money. Let's give him a hand, but not a handout to Kenny Wynn.
That must be my neighbor Butch.
Hey, Mr. Jenkins, what's up?
Not much, Butch. Just being creative with some everyday household items. It's so much fun to be creative.
I don't have a creative bone in my body.
Really? Would you like one? I'm just kidding.
And every night, Ed Hart, Jack and Coke, Jack and Coke, Jack and Coke, Jack and Coke, fucking Jack and Cokes. Keno, Keno, Keno. Fucking Keno, 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 Keno.
Oh, I remember the first time he did it. I was babysitting for him. And he yelled from the other room, "Sally, Sally, come quick, look what I did." It was pure magic. I mean, even then, his movements had something different about it. Charisma.